Sorry about that, I accidentally ended the video, but I don't know what's going on with that aircraft over there, but it might just be training. It could be doing anything. And that helicopter is just turned straight away. Wow. Go quite slow, but it is like going up, so I have to go slow. Unless it's actually going that way. Oh no, it's like going like that way. I think an NHV helicopter's on the move as well. I do hear something. Hey, there's a plane landing finally. I think that's Eastern Airways though, but finally a plane is landed. The first landing on this video. Let's go. Alright, touchdown. Better not be like Ryanair. I'm joking. But they do touchdown pretty hard sometimes. There we go, boy. And the logo of the aircraft is actually moving. Like, it's not moving, like the thing is like pulling it. I don't know where that aircraft's actually from. Sombra, Darlington, who knows? Or even Kirkwall. Okay. I'm still trying to find that helicopter that just took off. I don't see nothing. I see absolutely nothing. Oh no, I actually do see it. It's like a little tiny dot. Just a tiny little dot. I'm not even lying, I actually do see it. But I'm not going to show it because it's obviously too small and you guys probably won't even see it. Because of how small it is. But I actually do see it. No, I don't, but I actually do still see it. Okay, now I don't see it, it's just long gone. Maybe just a tiny little speck, but I do see it. And yeah. And as that plane taxis into one of those terminals over there, we find the logo of the aircraft just taxiing. I don't think it's actually taken off, which is quite sad, but oh well, at least we could actually see it moving. And we're happy with that. I think that's going to do it for today, guys. There might be a video tomorrow of me playing Flight Simulator on Infinite Flight on my phone. But for now, I'm just looking at that aircraft over there. I am looking at that NHV helicopter over there that might be taken off. Yeah, that helicopter is all of a sudden getting louder. I don't actually know what's going on. I think it's actually started to move. I might actually start moving in a minute. It's a beautiful day now. Just look at that bright sun. Oh my gosh. And an NHV helicopter is now moving, so I will stay a bit longer, but not for that long. The last two aircrafts to take off I'm going to see is a Babcock helicopter over there and an NHV helicopter that's taxied over there. Maybe a plane might land, I don't know, but we'll just have to wait and see. I think, yeah, that NHV helicopter's about to take off. At least it's from, if it like lifts up from there, that'd be amazing. We'll get a great shot of it. We will get a fantastic shot if it takes off just from there. Even if it just lifts up there, that'd be amazing. And it is turning, I do see turning. And that helicopter's still not moving. The one on the right from Babcock, it's still not moving. I do like the gold on the Babcock helicopters, they look very nice. They look luxury. I'm joking. It won't be luxury inside though, because obviously it's an offshore helicopter. I think the helicopter's actually not touching the ground anymore. I think it's actually lifting up. Yeah, it is. So we'll zoom in and get a fantastic shot of it. There we go. I'll zoom right in, just so you guys can see it a bit closer. It's pretty loud now. I'll put a thumbs up. I wonder if he put the thumbs up back. I don't actually know. Amazing. I love it when it just goes high and it's not even left the airport yet. I love that. It's already turning. I don't think he did give me the thumbs up back because mind you, he's quite high already, man. Jeez. And that helicopter's now moving. And this will be the last helicopter to see today, guys. Next time I come back, hopefully we'll see a bit more action here at Aberdeen International Airport in Scotland. Amazing. Now we're going to focus on the helicopter now. Exact same model as that yellow one, he said, it's just different livery and a different company. I'm looking at, just in case another aircraft on my lives. But so far I've seen absolutely nothing. I just see that helicopter there. Except that helicopter, I just took it off, but that doesn't really count. And I'm not going to be very good at first on YouTube, on this channel, since it's my very first video. Alright, now that helicopter is starting to move just a little bit. I've actually enjoyed here. I've been here for around 40 minutes now and I've enjoyed every single bit of it. Absolutely amazing here. Okay, I thought the helicopter had a flashing red light, now it has a flashing white light. Huh, quite odd. Okay, the very last aircraft for the day to take off. And now I have to get out of here because it's there for almost an hour now. I'll just let you guys enjoy this. Put a thumbs up. No, I don't see any other aircraft. Now it's just a quiet Aberdeen airport now. Okay. There we go. So there's nothing here now. It's just very quiet now. And I'm gonna head out, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure to subscribe to Liam Aviation with notifications on so you don't miss a video when I upload one. And I'll let you guys see this just for a few more seconds and I'll end the video. Okay, so again, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys later. Bye.